Hello YouTube family, welcome back to the channel. Welcome and welcome. Thank you so much. This is the phone number in case you want to join my WhatsApp group. Yeah, 0677729841 is the phone number. You can WhatsApp to join my WhatsApp group. Congratulations to the team and to the family group. Our group is for family. We help each other, we support each other, we teach each other, and we win it together. If it's a lose, we can lose together. Alright? So today we're going to see Uk49 strategy. Yesterday our calculations had all these numbers. And for tea time we had all these ones, 3, 4, 7, 29, and 8. So 5 numbers was, but we were only able to select 3 numbers correct, which is 27 and 3, 4. I added this 29 because remember they teach you that every time you see 27, you must combine with 29, because they can play when you are pairing your numbers. If you use it to pair all the numbers, 8 number or 7 number, whatever, you have to include 29 because sometimes they want to play 29 instead of 27, right? So we choose 27 because we had it as a number calling chart, but also 29 was it on our pair as well. So now it's time to see, we have also another lunchtime which we won 4 numbers on that Betway result, Betway, which we had 15, 27, 40, 41. So those were the numbers. Among the selected numbers, when I say selected numbers, are 8 numbers selected, 5 numbers selected, and 4 numbers selected. So meaning it depending on the voucher, you will pair which one. On the group will help each other to know how to pair the numbers using Betway, YesPlay, or other app which can help you to pair the numbers. Right? You don't have to lose because of pairing. So on today we're going to see Uk49 strategy that we can use to win it today. The first 3, our 8 came from here. When you do minus here, that was 8. Then the other winning number. So that is what we're gonna do today. Today we are seeing 35, and today again we are seeing 51. 51 because if you add here, it's gonna be 51. And 51 you can spin it to 15. That is also another number. The other one we're gonna use is to take these first 3 numbers to add them together. So I'm gonna show you. Let's start, for example, here to see if the strategy work. This strategy work every day, and in case you just forget to what you can use to win, you can just use this one. You're gonna take these first 3 numbers and you're gonna add together. So when you add them together, you get 63, 73, 82. So as soon as you see this number spin number, you just play it as it is, which was 28, and we wanted this 28. Then the next thing you will do, you add 56, right? So then after adding 56, we're gonna get 56 is 49, adding the 7 numbers of the draw, which equal to 56. 56 is equal here 8 and 13. So the answer was 138. We already kept our first number, which is 28, and you had 138 to break. 138 is 138 and 38 and 13. 13 on 31 already in use, so we spin our 31 and we want this 31. So then this is a 28, 38, which is sitting there. We have one which is sitting there as well. Alright, so and the 31 came there, and the 38 minus 1 is 37, sitting 38 plus 1 is 39. 39 was sitting here, so we focus on doing a minus as well, right? So 13 plus 8 is 21 as well. Alright, so those were the numbers coming from here. So you can see all the draw was here. Alright, so I'm coming here now. This one, when you add them together, is 22. 22 plus 56 is equal to 78. 78 is 7 and 8, because this 7 and 8 as 8 become what? Because we found it here. 7 and 8, when you 7 and 8, when you see it, you can see it in numerical order. Every time you get the number in numerical order, for example, here I had 2, 3. Then since the 2, 3, it's in numerical order, I choose to play 3 and 4 because they will run away from the first one or the last one. I played 3, 2, 3, 1 and 2. Since 1 and 2 was in the front, 1 was here, and then I choose to go behind it, which is a 3, 4. That's how I won. Now we have a 7 and 8. So 7 and 8, you pair 7 and 8, and then you pair 6 and 7, then you pair 8 and 9. Those are 3 pairs. So that's how 8 and 9 came. 7 also is 9. Right? And you can subscribe so that you can always learn those secrets behind the auto numbers, right? Because I am sure some secrets have to be discovered. So that's how 7 and every time you get 7 and 8, the number should be below 100, you add 10, which is 17 and 18. 17 is always multiplied by 2. That's where we got our 43 or 34. When you spin is 43. So 18 is the number which didn't come, or 36, right? Let's go. Now we go here. We have 27 here. 27 may repeat today. All right. 27 plus 56 is equal to 83. So we have a 38 as well. 83 is 38, 83 is 3, and 8, 83 is 13, 18. Because 13, 18 when you multiply, you can see 36 and 26. So every time you get the number which is below than 100, you add 10 on each single, which is 13, 18. Then you multiply those numbers by 2, which is 36 and 26. But remember our 38, we have a 38 here, and we have a 27 as well. So we have a 38 and what? And 27. There you go. 27, 38 played here though, but you can still try them. Let's go on lunch. So now we're done with this calculation. We're gonna see the calculation where we take this number, add them together. All right. I hope I'm not in rushing so that you don't understand. You add these numbers together this way. We have a 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8, right? And plus 5. You break this number into the small numbers and then you add them together. So this 6 plus 9 is 15 plus 8 is 23, right? Then what you do with 23? You take that 23, you add 8. Then you get 31. 31 sitting there. You get 31, you add 10, you got 41. Then you take that 41 minus 13. 41 minus 13. Here it's 8. I keep 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. Sorry. So the answer was 28. So you can see 28 and the 21 came there. That's what it is. Let's go to this one. This one is 28, 38. It's equal to 11 and 10, which is 21 plus 7 is 21 plus 7 is 28. Then you take that 28, you add 8 is equal to 36, you add 10 is equal to 46. Then when you take a 46 minus this one, when you spin, is 39, right? So it's gonna be 7. So we have a 7, we have a 46, we have a 36 and 28. All right. 36 look very good. All right. So that is 36, 28, 36, 46, right? All right. So we have the number which is 28, which already came with 36, 46, and 7, right? The numerical order of 26, 36, 46 is 26, which came here as 29, but we are still waiting for 7 to drop, right? Remember that we still wait for 7. 7 is delaying number. So add 7 in your numbers, guys. Let's do the course. Let's go. This one also you add them, so you do the same thing. It's 9, 13, and 7, which gonna give us 16 and 29. So you can see that on our calculation we had the 29, which is sitting there as well. Then we had the 29, add 8 is 37, add 10 is 47, right? So this 29, since it is sitting there, what you can do, it's meaning that between 27 and 29, one number should repeat and come on dash. That's what it means. Don't forget that. So we are done like for today. We conclude that we're gonna play 36 or 39. Then we have 27 or 29 as a repeat, right? On this strategy. So now we're going to use only the last 3 numbers. That was the one I was using with the bonus ball. With the last 3 numbers, let's see what, because this strategy was discovered yesterday. Let's see. We have 11, 21, and 25, right? So you take a 25, add 8 is 33, add 10 is 43. So 43 came here as a bonus ball. That is the number which came. We're still waiting for 25. As I always tell you, 25 is replaced by 45 in any lotto. Every lotto replaces 25. So meaning that the same way we take 27 and replace it with 29 in our calculation, we play together if you are pairing a lot of numbers or 8 numbers. The same way you should include 25 and 45. They like to replace them each other. Like when you find it out in your strategy, you can also consider to pair including 45 in your pairs, so that if it's they mostly replace them for each other. Alright, so that's how 45 appeared again. Alright, let's go here. You can see that this is here, which is 8, 9, which is going to give us 17, and 13 is going to give us 30. When you add all the number together is 30. When you add 8 is 38. When you add 10 is 48. So those are the 3 numbers coming from this strategy, guys. It's not necessary to do minus again. So we can see 30, 38, and 48, right? 30, 38, and 48, right? Those are the numbers. Thank you so much. That is a strategy that I wanted to show you today. I will see you once again. Bye bye.